We had some great weather over the weekend and humidity now, though.
Yeah, I thought the weekend turned out pretty nicely. A few sprinkles kind of snuck in here late yesterday afternoon, but otherwise a very usable weekend and still usable out there right now, too. Let's check it out at noontime. I'm tracking some rain and some thunderstorm activity, though, out to the west of the region. And right now we are looking at dry weather, at least across the 8 western New York counties. Nothing much going on just yet across the area. However, that's going to be changing. I don't know if we have our magic track fired up here in the control room, but there we go. Dry conditions across the 8 western New York counties right now, but a little bit of shower activity starting to pop now out to the west across Ontario. It's possible we might see some of that stuff drifting in here later this afternoon. This stuff around Long Point seems to be fizzling away, so at least we don't have to worry too much about that right now. As we head over to the satellite picture at noontime, there is more shower and thunderstorm activity further back to the west here around Lake Michigan and extending down to the Midwest. And some of those showers and thunderstorms may actually impact our area during the overnight period. There's going to be a chance of a shower or thunderstorm initially this evening, and then maybe another round toward morning during the wee early morning hours, and that's going to clear out of here pretty quickly tomorrow. So let's check it out now on the microcast, and the computer is suggesting at least some spotty showers and thunder showers across the area, probably a little bit more likely from Buffalo northward than down to the south, though later this afternoon it does try to generate even a little bit of shower activity down here towards Chautauqua County. For the overnight period, that evening shower or thunderstorm, then things will probably settle down for a period, but during the wee early morning hours, the computer, and there's 2 runs now of the Super Microcast have suggested this, that some thunderstorm activity will work across the area during the wee early morning hours tomorrow into the very early morning hours, but then it moves off quickly to the east and the southeast, and we start to get into some drier weather as we work through the day. The clouds will start to break up for us, and we should see a decent amount of sun in the wake of that activity early tomorrow morning, at least for the afternoon hours. And looking pretty good for Wednesday, too. Should turn out to be a dry day. Mostly sunny maybe at first. Some clouds start to mix in as we work through Wednesday. As we check the forecast highs this afternoon, and we should be at least into the low to mid 80s across the Niagara frontier. The cloud cover across northern sections may tend to keep the readings down a bit. Batavia 84 degrees down here to the south. We're looking at some lower 80s to mid 80s across sections of the southern tier. Bradford, PA 85, 85 at Jamestown, and at least low to mid 80s at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca this afternoon. Right now looking at 80 already at Niagara Falls and through Buffalo, 84 down here at Dunkirk, a 79 at Jamestown, 77 at Wellsville, 76 at Bradford. It was actually down to the 50s down there this morning again. Let's check your forecast details for this afternoon. The sunset time coming up at 8:24. Both of the lakes tied. Buffalo and Rochester at 75. That's the water temperature. For this afternoon, warm and more humid. Clouds and breaks, odd breaks across northern areas. Sunnier down to the south along the Pennsylvania line. Chance of an isolated shower or thunder shower. The highs this afternoon, 82 to 86. Rather uncomfortable again. A shower or thunderstorm this evening, and then again later tonight. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, warm, muggy. 62 inland to about 72 degrees in the city. Showers and storms end early tomorrow. They're becoming mostly sunny, very warm and humid. 84 to 87 steamy degrees. And on Wednesday, partly sunny, warm and muggy. Cooler up near Lake Ontario with the northeast breeze up in that direction. 82 to 86 for the rest of us. And the extended forecast, showers and storms more likely on Thursday. They should move out for Friday and Saturday. We're cooling down slightly, if you want to call 80 cool on